My God, the stock market is rigged. We're looking at Apple, June 11th, day after whatever they had. This is Apple yesterday on the 10th. Oh my God, the press conference starts and they nuked it. Today on the 11th, this is the entire reason why this app, this system was created to copy trade Wall Street. And when they win and Wall Street decided, hey, we're going to pump Apple like you have never even seen, probably in your lifetime. I think this is like the second biggest intraday move for Apple ever in history. Someone fact check if that's correct or not. But here's how you could have traded it using rigged AI. First, these three bouncing bulls, 10 contracts of each, you're turning $6,000 into $36,000. You're walking away with $30K if you just buy and hold because we close at a high. That's insane. Now, if you followed the rigged AI options trading system, which is TKO, tradability, Komodo, on fire, you caught at least some of this move. Now we took some trades, we got out a little bit too early, a little bit painful. But before we get into that, let me just show you one more thing. Look at this, 81% win rate, 500%, 81% win rate with edge. That's what we want, probability, 400%, 400%. We get a little bit higher up, win rate's 100%. The P is 0 on this thing. Means, hey, there's not enough data, but you're getting 300 if you just bought and held. If you KTR'd it, 400%, 370, 370, 333, 282, 286. That is epic. That is incredible. That is the stock market being the stock market. Copy trading Wall Street's never looked better than this. So let's go through what we did today. 10 o'clock, right here. This is when we get the first on-fire notifications that, hey, these options right here at the open, they're at 100%, right here at 10. Okay, and what do we notice? Well, obviously, you're getting a ton of alerts that are all bullish. And then also, the win rate is ridiculous. 10 a.m. when you're looking at this thing, the last one, 9:56, 100% win rate, okay? You're looking at it right here, 10 a.m. You notice that? You are a little bit late. You're looking for any opportunity to get into the trade possible. Because what does tradability say? Follow the price action, bulls, positive PS. So when you're looking here at 10 a.m., we go to the bulls. What's PS? 4.72. That's positive. This thing goes for 274%. Right here, 301%. Absolutely amazing. So if you just did it on fire, following on fire, coming in at 10, noticing, hey, we're in an up, it's an up move. We want to follow the price action. Expect a trend day with price closing at a session high or low. You get 100% of that, right? 100%. Now, this is why the O part is important, because you got the tradability notification early, you got the high win rate Komodo alerts early, but none of that matters unless you get the on fire. And when an option alert on a Tuesday gets 100% in under 30 minutes for an option that expires on Friday, pay attention, people. That is what you want. Because if it starts going, Newton, Isaac's law, or whatever, things in motion stay in motion. And this thing was absolutely incredible, running up 1, 2, 3, 4, really 5, until you get to this 205 strike. You get a little bit of ping pong. If you came back at the very end, chasing that move, 517, it looks like you're getting cut off the screen, 46%. But this is why tradability, we're telling you full sends at 9:31 in the morning. You're following it. So you see, we had our buys. They didn't even come in until here. And we still made the mistake of selling too early. But it happens. It happens. This is just not something that happens every day. Like I said, probably the second biggest intraday gain for Apple ever. But that is how you can use rigged AI to trade it. And if you were a true trade lord, system observer follower, you switched over to SPY and QQQ after that. And we'll discuss that next. But what a day, what a session on Apple. Congratulations to everyone who got in the trade. Shout out to Tribal, who sold a little bit too early. Certainly know the feeling, but ours wasn't quite that bad. Stay frosty.